Welcome to the channel of Top Tips for Entrepreneur.
Are you a teacher dreaming of swimming in piles of cash? Well, guess what? You're in the wrong business. But seriously, teachers are notoriously underpaid. So, if you're looking for ways to make some extra money, you've come to the right place. Here are a few tips or 5 tips on how to become a wealthy teacher. Start a blog. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with the world, and it can also be a lucrative source of income. Just make sure to write about something that you're passionate about, and that people will actually want to read. Become a human resource recruitment guru. Teachers have the skills and experience that employers are looking for in candidates. So, if you're good at spotting talent, you could start a business helping companies find the right people for the job. Create a reviews and ratings app business. This is a great way to make money from your students and parents. Just create an app that allows them to rate and review your teaching style, and then charge other teachers to use the app. Start a proofreading service. Teachers are experts at grammar and punctuation, so this is a natural fit for a side hustle. Just market your services to students, writers, and businesses, and you'll be rolling in dough in no time. Become a YouTube sensation. This is probably the most unlikely way to become a wealthy teacher, but it's definitely possible. Just create engaging and informative videos about teaching, and then monetize your channel. And hey, if all else fails, you can always marry a rich person. But don't get your hopes up. They're usually already married to someone else. So, there you have it. A few tips on how to become a wealthy teacher. Just remember, it's not going to be easy. But with some hard work and dedication, you can definitely achieve your financial goals. And if you do become wealthy, please don't forget to donate some of your money to your school district. They could really use it.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.